Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. If you love music, this video is perfect for you. Today, I'll tell you 8 amazing songs that can help you improve your pronunciation, vocabulary, listening skills, sentence structure, and many more. Make sure to stay until the end because by the end I'll give you some tips that can help you use these songs effectively for learning. To improve your English, you need to use these songs effectively. You should make these songs useful for you. So I'll give you some tips by the end of this video. Music is a powerful way to learn English because it's fun, repetitive, and it's full of common words and expressions. When you listen to English songs, you will naturally improve your pronunciation, sentence structure, the rhythm, and also your vocabulary. Plus, singing along with the songs helps you practice speaking confidently without worrying about the grammar. So, let's dive in. The first song is Count on Me. It's an album song written by Bruno Mars. It's all about friendship and trust. This song is warm and friendly and it's perfect for learning phrases related to support and loyalty. With the lyrics like "You can count on me like 1, 2, 3", it introduces simple phrases and numbers, making it fun for beginners. The repetition helps reinforce simple conversational phrases in English. Also, the clear and smooth delivery by Bruno Mars makes it ideal for practicing pronunciation and the sentence structure. The second one is I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. This song is about love and freedom. A feel-good, relaxing song with conversational English and contractions. Phrases like "there is no need to complicate" are helpful for everyday English. This song is also perfect for practicing contractions like "there's", "am", etc. This is ideal for learning informal expressions with its melody and casual tone. It's ideal for expressions, the informal expressions. The next song is Stay With Me. It's a soulful song written by Sam Smith with repetitive and simple phrases. The words "stay with me", "cause you are all I need" are easy to follow, making it great for beginners to practice sentence construction and emotional expressions. The slow pace and clear pronunciation make it easier for practicing fluency in English. The next one is 1,000 Years. This is a famous song from the movie Breaking Down. It's a part of Twilight Saga. I hope some of you might have watched it, the Twilight Saga. So, this is one song from the movie Twilight Saga. A romantic, emotional song perfect for learning future tenses. Lyrics like "I have loved you for 1,000 years", "I'll love you for 1,000 more" provide a great example for mixing the past and future tenses. Also, the soft melody and the clear voice of the singer Christina Perri makes it easy to follow. The next one is Thinking Out Loud by Ed Sheeran. This romantic song is full of present and past tense usage. It's ideal for beginners who want to practice describing memories and feelings. Some of the lyrics introduces ways to talk about aging and time. The next song is Grenade by Bruno Mars. This song is powerful and dramatic with action verbs and emotional language. It's excellent for learning verbs related to action and strong feelings. The next one is You Belong With Me by Taylor Swift. The lyrics use simple and repetitive words. It's great for practicing phrases in English. The next one is The Lazy Song by Bruno Mars. This playful song is full of slang and casual expressions. This is perfect for learning informal English. The relaxed tone and humorous content make it fun for improving your listening skills. 8. So those are the 8 English songs. Now that you have your song list, this is the way to improve your English using those songs. First one, try to read the lyrics. Look up the lyrics and read them along when you are listening to the song. When you're listening to the song, try to read the lyrics with it. The second one is repeat and mimic. Try to repeat or try to sing along with the singer. Try to follow their pronunciation and the rhythm. Sing along and try to match the way the singer sings. Third one is using karaoke apps. Apps like Smule or the YouTube videos with karaoke can be very helpful for practicing your song. You can sing along with the karaoke and enjoy the song. Focus on phrases and words. When you come along a new word or phrase, just try to write it down and learn it. These phrases can be used in your everyday situations. Like some of them might be like idioms and expressions. It will be very useful for you in your everyday conversations. It can actually level up your English. And most importantly, have fun. The more you enjoy, the faster you will learn. Which song do you want to start with? Just comment it down. Also, if you know any songs that you love that helped you learn English, share it with us. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.